Welcome to our channel, unboxing, testing the Nighthawk M6 Pro 5G. Insane speeds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another tech gadget, Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro 5G router. Connect up to 32 devices to the ultra-fast, insane 5G speed of the router. Let's open this box, set it up, and see if it's as good as the brand claims. So let's dive in. Look at the box. The packaging is sleek, premium, and Rarabine screaming high-tech. Let's see what's inside the box. Nighthawk M6 Pro has a compact design. It just weighs 256 grams. The dimensions are 105 by 105 millimeters. It is super portable and can be placed ideally anywhere. Besides, we've got a USB-C cable for charging, a power adapter, and a quick setup user manual. Wow! It also has a 5040 milliamp hours removable battery. Note that there is no SIM card provided with the device, so you need to buy one on your own. Nighthawk M6 Pro features 2.8-inch touchscreen for easy setup. It also has 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port and 2 TS9 antenna ports for boosting signal in poor network areas. Plus, it supports 5G mmWave and Wi-Fi 6E for next-level performance. Is it a breeze to set up the device? Let's learn how to set up Nighthawk M6 5G router. Pop off the back, insert your 5G SIM under the battery, and power it on. The touchscreen is intuitive. You can tweak Wi-Fi settings, check data usage, or even display a QR code to connect devices instantly. Now, the moment of truth. Let's run a speed test for the device. We've connected a laptop via Wi-Fi 6E. We're hitting 1.1 gigabits per second download, 100 megabits per second upload on mmWave. That's insane for a mobile hotspot. Even on sub-6 GHz 5G, we're getting 250 megabits per second down, 40 megabits per second upload. For context, that's way faster than most home Wi-Fi setups. Check real-time connectivity. To push it further, we've got 10 devices connected: phone, laptop, tablet, and some smart home gadgets. Streaming 4K Netflix? Flawless. Gaming online? Zero lag. Even a Zoom call while downloading files was smooth as butter. This thing handles 32 devices like a champ. Mobility. Now let's take it on the go. We took Nighthawk M6 5G router to a park with decent signal. Speeds are still solid at 60 megabits per second down. If you're in a fringe area, you can attach an external antenna to boost reception. Oh, and the battery life. Netgear claims 13 hours, but we got about 10 with heavy use. Still impressive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.